single phase half control rectifier with RLE load. Single phase half control rectifier with RLE load. So we are taking as of bridge connection. So when you have to observe, full control is nothing but of all we will use the 4 thyristors, but in the half control rectifier we will use 2 diodes and 2 thyristors. When you observe the diagram here, T1 D2 and T2 D, T1 D2 T3 D4 is also there. The diode D2 and D4 conducts for the positive and negative half cycle of the input voltage waveform. T1 starts conducting when we are applying the positive half cycle. When we are applying the positive voltage to the thyristor T1, the thyristor T1 is a forward biased condition. Then the thyristor T1 should be a turn on condition. When the thyristor T1 to, what is the current flow? Positive half cycle to T1, T1 to R load to L load to E load to D2, D2 to negative. So observe the positive half cycle and negative half cycle. What type of load we are considering? RLE load. E is nothing but of a battery. E is nothing but of a battery. Means already there is a voltage. Means it starts from the maximum voltage. The half control rectifier consists of 2 diodes and 2 thyristors. When we are applying positive voltage to the thyristor T1, the current T1 D2 is in turn on condition, while T3 D4 is in turn off condition. I already told you only the 2 thyristors should be turn on condition, 2 thyristors should be turn off condition. Means here we have a 2 diodes, 2 thyristors. The opposite types of elements should be turn on condition. Positive voltage to the thyristor, thyristor to R load to L load to E load to D2, D2 to negative. That is the positive voltage. Then what is the negative voltage? Change the terminals. The terminal can be changed to negative and positive. Neutral to T3, T3 to R, R to L, L to E, E2 to D4, D4 to positive. There is no firing angle for diodes. There is a firing angle for the thyristor. How it can be changed? Means by applying the condition, the thyristor should be turn on and turn off condition. Based on the diode, continuous current will flow. Then what is the condition here? When we observe the diagram, D2 starts conducting. When the D2 starts conducting, when omega t is equal to alpha. When omega t is equal to alpha, the output voltage becomes equal to input voltage, because the thyristor T1 is in a forward biased condition. The opposite elements should be turn on condition. T1 D2 is one pair, T3 D4 is another pair. When T1 D2 on state, means it starts conduction. At omega t is equal to alpha, then the output voltage is equal to input voltage. Similarly, at omega t is equal to pi, after pi it tends to negative, means it will be discharging, it will be slow on. The thyristor T1 should be reversed bias, then D4 should be forward biased. The output voltage remains clamped, remains same, 0 till T3 is fired. When the T1 is fired, omega t is equal to alpha. When the T3 is fired, omega t is equal to pi plus alpha. And that is the positive half cycle. In the negative half cycle, the T3 D4 is in on state, means at omega t is equal to 2 pi, it starts conducting T3 and D2, while the load voltage should be 0. At T1 D2, the output voltage becomes equal to input voltage. At T3 T2, the load voltage is equal to 0. That is the difference between. The periodic cycle will get from input to output. is a battery. It starts from the minimum value of voltage. It does not start with the origin. So the thyristor is triggering when you are applying the gate pulse. T1, D2 starts conducting. After applying the firing angle at omega t is equal to alpha. Similarly, the output voltage is equal to input voltage. Then what happens? T1, D2 is a turn off condition. When we are applying the negative voltage, the thyristor T3, T4 should be turn on condition. At that condition, T1, D2 is turn off. Same, T3 to R, R to L, L to E, E2 to D4, D4 to supply. The first positive half cycle is alpha to pi plus alpha, T1, D2 on. 2 pi plus alpha to pi plus alpha to 2 pi, the thyristor should be turn off condition. The load voltage becomes 0. So see here the waveform, I average we are finding or V average we are finding. 1 by pi 0 to pi V naught of dt means we are considering only the one cycle. That cycle is also a positive half cycle, only the one cycle we are considering. That's why we are taking as 1 by pi 0 to pi V naught d omega t. Is there any firing angle applicable in the waveform? Yes, we are applying some angle, that is alpha we can consider. That is equal to 1 by pi alpha to pi root 2 Vi sin omega t or Vm sin omega t also we can write, no problem. Then root 2 Vi by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Means from the diode also we can control the output voltage. When R LE load is we have to consider. That is the RLE. See the question. For a single phase fully controlled bridge is connected to RL load. The source voltage is a 230 voltage, 50 Hz. The average load current is a 10 amperes continuous over the working range. For alpha is equal to, for R is equal to 0.4 ohms and L is equal to 2 millihenry. Compute firing angle for E is equal to 120 voltage. Firing angle for E is equal to minus 120 voltage. Third one, in case output current is constant, find the input power factor for both parts A and B. The question is belonging to of a full control bridge rectifier, means T1, T2, T3, T4 thyristors we have to consider. The load is RLE load we are considering. Source voltage is already given, that is the 230 voltage, and frequency is also given. For AC supply obviously it is a constant 50 Hz. Average load current is given, that is the 10 amperes. R load is also given 0.4, L is also given 2 millihenry. The firing angle for E is equal to 120 degrees. Means that is not a firing angle. E is nothing but of a battery. From that we are finding out the firing angle. So we have to find out the firing angle at E is equal to 120 degrees. What is the value of alpha? Similarly, from the B bit, E is equal to minus 120 voltage when you are applying. What is the firing angle alpha? In case the current is constant, what is the input and output power factors? See the A bit answer. If E is equal to 120, normally the full control rectifier formula is 2 Vm by pi cos alpha is equal to E plus I naught R. 2 into Vm is nothing but of root 2 into 230 by pi. Cos alpha is equal to E is already given in the A bit, that is 120, plus I naught is already given in the question, that is continuous current 10 into 0.4 is the resistive value. Into resistive value. Then I got alpha is equal to 53.21. When the battery is equal to 120 voltage. When the battery is equal to 120 voltage, alpha is equal to 53.21. Similarly, when E is equal to minus 120 degrees, same formula we have to use. 2 Vm by pi cos alpha is equal to E plus I naught R. 2 into Vm is root 2 into 230 by pi. Cos alpha is equal to, what is E value given in the second bit? Minus 120 plus 10 into 0.4. I got minus 116 voltage. Alpha is equal to 124.1. When the battery voltage is negative, the firing angle should be more. The third bit is constant current for input and output. I naught is equal to 10 amperes. What is the formula of power factor? Vs I naught or cos alpha is equal to E I naught plus I naught square alpha. We know alpha value in the first bit, alpha is equal to 53.21. From this we are finding out the cos alpha. And similarly, when we are using f alpha is equal to 124.1, we are finding out in the power factor, we got 0.5043 lagging. That is the condition. From the first bit, from the battery we are find out the firing angle. Second bit, from the negative voltage of battery we are find out the firing angle. From the third bit, by using alpha value of for A bit and by using the alpha value of B bit, we are find out in the power factor. What is power factor? The cosine of angle between voltage and current is nothing but of a power factor. So E plus I naught R, E plus E is nothing but of a battery. For RLE load, the full wave, the bridge rectifier is the formula, this one 2Vm by pi cos alpha is equal to E plus I naught R. What is the power flow from DC source to load? Like 53.21, 124.1. Based on that only we are finding out. Based on these two values, we are finding out in the load current. The load current is already given in the question, that is 10 amperes. By using the firing angle of 53.21 and 124.1, we are finding out in the power factor. We got 0.43 and 0.50. Similarly, for example, when you consider this diagram, full controlled converter with RL. For example, if it is a half control, then what happens when you are taking as a full control? Fourth thyristor will use T1. In the place of D2, we'll use T2, T3, T4. In the place of D2, T2. In the place of D4, T4. Means T1, T2 on, T3, T4 off. Continuous current will get when you are using as a more number of thyristors in the half wave or full wave or bridge connection or three phase. We can take any value. It is a continuous conduction current, but there is no firing angle to the diode. Means we will not get the continuous current. When we are taking all the four thyristors, we will get the continuous current. The major difference we have to observe from the diagram only. The applied voltage is different and the battery voltage is also different. Battery like 2.5 or 5 voltage we have to consider. The difference between the RL load and the E voltage is there is no discharge here, the first point. And the second point is when you compare with the R load, it does not start with the origin, it starts with the some minimum value. Because of battery, it starts with the minimum value. So we have to concentrate on the conduction state, alpha to pi what happens, pi plus alpha to 2 pi what happens. From alpha to pi, what is the conduction state? From pi plus alpha to 2 pi, what is the conduction state of elements? From that, we have to draw the waveform. For D2 and D3 or D4, there is no continuous current because there is no output voltage controlling also, because there is no gate pulse we have to control. This is the condition. సార్ ఎక్కడున్నా సార్? ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ క్లాస్కి రారా, చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది. ఈ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ రూమ్, ఈ లాస్ట్ ల్యాబ్ పక్కన క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. అసలు సేవ్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని డౌట్ వస్తుంది. ఏమో మరి. 3 వీడియోస్ అయిపోయినాయి, 3 చేశాను. ఒకసారి సేవ్ అయిందా లేదా చూడు.
సేవ్ అవ్వలే కదా, ఇంకా రెడ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది.